Wagwan this and that family. Uno see what me having on my hand so one big fish head. Well, two big fish head. And guess what guys? Today I got up and I just feel like I would eat some fish head. Now comment below and let me know, have you ever had fish head? Tell me. Anyways, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. Don't forget to comment guys. I really love to respond to your comments. So went to the supermarket guys and I saw this big fish head, and just to let you know, I have fish head all the time and it tastes nice as long as you know how to cook it. So here I am guys. Yes, and I can see me scale up my fish and I clean up my fish nice and clean. You know what? I should have gone outside to scale the fish, but there were workmen outside and I'm like, you know what? I am going to have my fish today. So I scaled my fish in the sink and then I clean it out. So don't come for me in the comments. So comment below again and let me know if you love fish. I really love fish. I think fish is my favorite meat. Don't come for me again because some of you are going to say that fish is not a meat. Well, I love fish, and trust me, when you dope your fish head with some crackers and stuff, but today, me not dope the fish head with any crackers. I'm not doing it with any crackers. I'm gonna do it with some nice rice and cheese. Guys, it's just a quick cooking me doing. Yeah? So I clean up my fish head to make sure there's no scale is on it. Because as you know, when the scale is on it, you ever, cleaning your fish and you realize you never scale it too good? That not nice. That not nice at all. So I have to make sure to clean it up properly. So I use the fork and I use the knife to clean up my fish head nice and properly. And I was just cooking for 2 persons, so guys don't come at me again and say, oh, it comes, right? No, a lot of people don't like the fish head because they say, bony. Yes, look for me nice rice, I simmer down, smell good man, smell up the place, nice. So here I am now seasoning up my fish. So I have the red onion and the normal onion, and this I'm going to be mixing some coconut powder. Guys, don't come at me and tell me again to use the real coconut, because I didn't have a real coconut, but I had the coconut powder. So to get my fish head steamed down, I'm mixing up my coconut powder as best as I know how to. And you know one thing with this coconut milk, when you're mixing, it takes so long to mix out. So tell me what to do, guys. Is it that I'm supposed to use warm water because I mix and I mix and I mix and it still had a little bit of lump? But I don't worry about that, because when you pour it in and it's cooking, all that lump will go. So I pour my coconut milk over my fish head. Yes, put in my onions. Yeah man, nice and thick onion. And you see me putting in this onion, I'm also going to put in the purple onion, just to get the thing flavorful and nice. Alright, so right there, put a little piece of butter in there because I want the thing to taste good, you know. Scallion and a little piece of thyme when I find in the fridge. Yes, and I'm putting in a little bit of easy spice, all-purpose seasoning on it, just a little bit. Guys, to be honest, I had to take out the fish head and wash off a little bit of that, because I think I put too much in there. But not to worry, because I'm going to put some other seasoning. As you see, I am putting nice Maggi all-purpose seasoning there on the fish also. And there's one thing that I really love to cook with. This is it, guys. I love to cook with my cayenne pepper. I can't leave out my cayenne pepper. Yes. Ready now to put it on the stove. Cover it down and make it simmer, and make it simmer, yeah man, make it steam down, cover him down there, cover down your fish head, cover it down. You see guys, one thing when you're doing your videoing and the steam and everything. Anyways, right now guys, rice done cook, fish done steam and me I dry up my plate because I'm ready for eating it, guys. Look on that, guys. Like seriously, guys, look at it. Oh my word, nice and steamed up. I could put some other things in there now, but I am working with what I have in my fridge. Don't come for me. I'm working with what I have. I could put other stuff in there. And look at my rice and peas, are nice and fluffy. Me share it out in my plate. Yes, and of course, I have some lettuce in the fridge and like a cucumber and things. Trust me, guys. Me just want show them say rice and peas and nice. Fish head is the bomb. It's good. Really good. 10 out of 10.